sir. Breaking news. All the black people are alive again.
I don't like black people.
Me either. We are working on fixing the problem as we speak. Get off this train, nigger.
I'm not even black. I'm Muslim.
Malcolm X was Muslim, you dumb faggot. You're coming with me. Sir, I found this nigger on the train.
He's not even black, he's Muslim, you dumbass.
Are you serious?
I'm leaving.
There's a nigger at the grocery.
Be right back. You're not black?
Look at this fat faggot.
Lol.
You skank, he wasn't even black?
This isn't what it looks like. I swear.
Are you serious?